Hi guys, in this video I show you how to blend images linear and radial in Canva. Open any design and upload any photo you want to blend. I'm gonna go for this cute fox. Let's add another fox to show you the linear and radial effect. After adding the photos you want to blend, just click on apps right here. Then click inside this search box and type in image blender. If you press enter, you will find many different options. Just click the first one right here, which is called image blender. After opening, you will see these options right here, linear and radial. So just select the option you want. Let's start with linear, and of course you must select the image where you want to add the blending. As I said, I want to start linear with this left fox right here. You can see that you have full control with these two circles and the line between. Just click on them and drag them around to see how they are working together. You can see that if you increase the distance, that the blending will be increasing as well. And you can also change the strength of this effect. You can do it by just using the slider strength right here. I'm gonna go for this level and I'm gonna change the circle positions and the line position a little bit, so you can see that the linear blending is not just focused on one position. You can even make this surroundings and also blending the corners. In the end, just click on save and yes, put the image where you want. And now let's add the radial blending effect to this fox image right here. So all we need to do is selecting the image and then click on radial. The effect is already applied. If you hover over your image, you can just click and drag it around to make the position perfectly. Then you can see that you also have here this slider strength. So also use here the strength slider to adjust the level of this effect. If you click on this outer circle, you can adjust the size of this circle and radial blending. Then click on save. You can of course also add the blending multiple times. So if we select the first image again and go for the linear blending, you can see that we will have a second blending effect. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.